Let's take a look at this bird nest cashew. Saw this at Lulu Hypermarket. They had this huge stall with lots of interesting traits. This is bird nest with cashew. Costs around 170 rupees or $2 or so. So let's see what we get. That's a beautiful presentation. The bird nest is made from fried noodles and you get cashew in the middle, and the whole thing is soaked in sugar syrup. So let's taste it. The noodles have a amazing crunchy texture and a nice amount of sweetness too, and the cashew makes it rich and decadent. That's quite a amazing bite. Quite nice. Check it out.